Hi, science fans. Have you ever heard of germs? They're super tiny living things that are all around us. Some germs are good for us. They help us digest our food and keep our bodies healthy. But some germs can make us sick. We call those bad germs. It's important to learn about germs so we can stay healthy and strong. Let's dive into the amazing world of germs and learn how to be germ busters. Germs are so small you can't even see them with your eyes. You need a powerful microscope to see them. Don't let their size fool you, though. Germs are mighty and can multiply really fast. There are 4 main types of germs: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Let's learn about each one. Section 3. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Oh my God! In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of microorganisms. These tiny entities are all around us, and they play crucial roles in our lives, both good and bad.
Bacteria are like tiny, single-celled creatures. They are among the oldest living organisms on Earth, existing for billions of years. These microscopic beings come in various shapes such as rods, spheres, and spirals. Some bacteria are helpful, like the ones that help us digest food. These beneficial bacteria reside in our gut and aid in breaking down complex food particles, making nutrients more accessible to our bodies. They also help in producing vitamins and maintaining a healthy immune system. But some bacteria can cause infections like strep throat. Harmful bacteria can invade our bodies, leading to various illnesses. For instance, Streptococcus bacteria can cause painful throat infections, making it difficult to swallow and leading to fever and fatigue. Viruses are even smaller than bacteria. Unlike bacteria, viruses are not considered living organisms because they cannot reproduce on their own. They need to hijack the machinery of a host cell to replicate. They are like tiny invaders that need to live inside other living cells to grow and multiply. Once inside a host cell, viruses take over its functions, turning it into a virus-producing factory. This process often damages or kills the host cell. Viruses cause illnesses like the common cold and the flu. These viral infections are highly contagious and can spread rapidly through coughing, sneezing, or touching contaminated surfaces. Symptoms often include a runny nose, sore throat, and fever.
Fungi love damp and warm places. These organisms thrive in environments where moisture is abundant, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. They can grow on various surfaces, including walls, floors, and even food. They can be found on old bread or even on your feet. Mold, a type of fungus, can quickly colonize stale bread, producing spores that can spread through the air. Similarly, fungi can infect human skin, leading to conditions like athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is caused by a fungus. This common infection results in itchy, red, and cracked skin, primarily between the toes. It is often contracted in communal areas like locker rooms and swimming pools. But some fungi are good for us, like the ones that help make yummy mushrooms. Edible mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious addition to our diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they can be used in a variety of culinary dishes.
Protozoa are like tiny animals that live in water or soil. These single-celled organisms can move independently and often feed on bacteria and other small particles. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by recycling nutrients. Some protozoa can cause illnesses if you drink contaminated water. For example, Giardia is a protozoan that can cause severe gastrointestinal issues, including diarrhea and stomach cramps, if ingested through untreated water sources.
Section 4. Germs on the move. Germs are sneaky and can spread in many ways. When someone coughs or sneezes, tiny droplets containing germs fly into the air. If you touch a surface with germs on it and then touch your face, you can get sick. Germs can also spread through contaminated food and water. That's why it's important to wash our fruits and vegetables and drink clean water. Section 5. Be a germ buster. The good news is that we can fight germs and stay healthy. Germs are tiny invaders that can make us sick, but with the right habits, we can keep them at bay and enjoy our days full of energy and fun. Washing our hands with soap and water is like having a superpower against germs. It's one of the most effective ways to keep ourselves and others safe. Make sure to scrub all parts of your hands, including between your fingers and under your nails, for at least 20 seconds. We should wash our hands before we eat, after using the toilet, and after playing outside. These are the times when our hands are most likely to pick up germs, and washing them away can prevent us from getting sick. Covering our mouths and noses with a tissue or our elbows when we cough or sneeze helps stop germs from spreading. This simple action can protect our friends and family from catching colds and other illnesses. We should also try not to touch our faces too much. Germs can enter our bodies through our eyes, nose, and mouth, so keeping our hands away from our faces is another powerful way to stay healthy. And don't forget to get vaccinated. Vaccines are important because they prepare our immune system to fight off specific germs. They are like training sessions for our body's defense system, making us stronger and more resilient. Vaccines are like superheroes that help our bodies fight off specific germs. When we get vaccinated, we are not just protecting ourselves, but also helping to protect our community by reducing the spread of diseases. So, let's all be germ busters and keep our world healthy and happy. Section 6. Teamwork makes the dream work. We can all be germ busters and keep ourselves and others healthy. By washing our hands, covering our coughs, and getting vaccinated, we are working together to stop the spread of germs. Remember, even though we can't see them, germs are everywhere. But with good hygiene and teamwork, we can win the fight against germs and stay happy and healthy. Stay curious, science fans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can all keep exploring the wonders of nature together.